Once upon a time, there was an orphan boy.
He lived alone in a small village, working all day and dreaming under the stars at night.
One night, a shining bird descended from the sky.
Why are you sad? I have no one, no parents, no friends. I came from the sky, from Allah, bringing hope for you. Come, let's go on an adventure.
To Krubi, Ali helped the villagers and won everyone's hearts.
Being an orphan doesn't mean being alone. Allah is always with you.
Ali was now happy, and the bird returned to the sky.
The lesson learned is that hope and help are everywhere.